Today, let us discuss a few important questions from networking. Theory questions. 1. What is a protocol? Protocol is a formal set of rules that should be satisfied for communication to take place. So, in order to establish communication in a network, certain rules are there to be satisfied, and the rules are known by the name protocol. What is SMTP? The full form is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol dictating how email messages are exchanged over the internet. So in order to send email messages, certain rules are there to be satisfied, and the rules are known by the name SMTP. What is POP3? The full form is Post Office Protocol, and 3 is the version of the protocol. It is an application layer internet standard protocol used by local email clients to retrieve email from a remote server over a TCP IP connection. So the meaning is, in order to receive email from to our computer from the server, certain set of rules are there to be satisfied, and the rules are known by the name POP3, Post Office Protocol. Name the protocol that is used to receive emails. It is POP3. An application type of question. Rajeshwari is trying for online subscription to a magazine. For this, she has filled in a form on the magazine's website. When she clicks submit button, she gets a message that she has left email field empty and she must fill in. For such checking, which type of script is generally executed? Is it client-side script or server-side script? Let me explain this using an example. Suppose you fill in this form. You can fill in the first name, last name, and when you fill in the email address, suppose you did not type @. After that, you type the username, you type the password. When you click on the submit button, the email address does not contain @, hence the email address is wrong. That checking can be performed in your computer. No need to go to the Google server or Yahoo server to check that, isn't it? So these type of checking performed locally in your computer is known as a client side checking. And in order to perform client side checking, the client side scripting languages are available. Examples for client side scripting languages are JavaScript, VB script, etc. So using these scripting languages, we check whether the email address contains @ or the email field is not empty, and so on. Now, when you type the username and password, you should go to the server and check whether the username and password are the same or they are correct. For that, there is server-side scripting language. Okay, examples for server-side scripting language is ASP, Active Server Pages, JSP, Java Server Pages, Perl, full form is Practical Extraction Report Language. They are all server-side scripting languages. Okay, so in this question, Rajeshwari wants to check whether the email field is left empty or not. So no need to go to the server and perform that check. You can very well do it locally in your computer using a client-side scripting language. So certainly it is client-side. Write two examples for server-side scripting languages: Java Server Pages, Active Server Pages, Practical Extraction Report Language, Perl. Write two examples for client-side scripting languages: VB script, JavaScript. Mention any one difference between a freeware and a free software. Free software means it is free in every aspect. You don't have to pay money for this. You can modify the code, you can redistribute the code, you can do everything free of cost. But freeware means you don't have to pay money. It is free of course, but modification of the software is not allowed. Source code of the software not allowed. So what exactly is freeware? Copyrighted software given away for free by the author. Although it is available for free, the author retains the copyright, which means the author allows people to use the software but they cannot sell the software. Okay, and your Adobe Reader, Skype, they are all examples for freeware. Now give two examples for free software. Your Linux operating system, OpenOffice, they are examples for free software. Now give two examples for free operating systems. Your Linux operating system, Android operating system, they are all examples for free operating system. Next one. What is shareware? It is a trial version of the software. Once the trial period has passed, the program may stop running until a license is purchased. Example for shareware, WinZip, AVG antivirus, they are all shareware softwares.